Hello everyone. Welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 2149 named Rearrange Array Elements by Sign. In this problem, we are given a zero-index integer array nums of even length consisting of equal number of positive and negative integers. Now, we should return the array of the nums such that the array follows the given conditions. Here, every consecutive pair of integers have opposite sign. For all integers with the same sign, the order in which they were present in the initial array is preserved, and the rearranged array begins with a positive integers. Now, we have to return the modified array after rearranging the elements to satisfy the given conditions. Now, in the first example, the array has 6 elements, which is 3, 1, -2, -5, 2, and -4. So here, the array element 3, -2, 1, -5, 2, -4 follows these three conditions because it has alternative sign of each pair of integers or each consecutive pair of integers, and the order of the integers is same. Here, 2 appears after 1 and 1 appears after 3. So in the modified array, 2 appears after 1 and 1 appears after 3. Similarly, -4 appears after -5 and -5 appears after -2. Similarly, in the output array, -4 appears after -5 and -5 appears after -2. So we can say that this output array satisfied all of the given conditions. So here we have to return it. Now I hope you understood the algorithm. So here the array length can be in between 2 to 2 into 10 to the power 5, and the array length is even, and each of the array element can be in between 1 to 10 to the power 5, and the array consists of equal number of positive and negative integers. I hope you understood the problem statement. Now let's move on to the algorithm. Now, to understand the algorithm, we have taken the first example. Here, the first example has 6 elements, which is 3, 1, -2, -5, 2, and -4. Now, to solve this problem, let's take two individual array. One is this, and another is this. In the first array, we will store all of the positive numbers in a given order. So here we will store the number 3, 1, and 2. In the second array, we will store all of the negative number, which is -2, -5, and -4. So here, in both of the positive and the negative array holds the element in a given order. So far, so good. Now, let's take two pointers. One pointer is pointing to the first element of the positive array, and one pointer is pointing to the first element of the negative array. Now let's take another array to store the answer. Now here, we will append the first pointer value into the answer, which is 3. Now we will shift the pointer into the second element. Now we will add the value, which is -5, and shift this pointer to this last element. Now again we will add the first pointer value, which is 2, and this pointer will become out of bound. And now we will add the second pointer value, which is -4, and this pointer will become out of bound. Finally, we can return this output array. So here, this is the basic problem and basic algorithm. I hope you understood the algorithm. Now wait, The overall time complexity of this problem is big O of n because we have to iterate each of the element of the input array. And the overall space complexity of this problem is also big O of n because we are using extra memory to solve this problem. And the size of the output array can be equal to the or exactly equal to the size of the input array. So here the space complexity is big O of n. I hope you understood the algorithm. Now let's move on to the code. In this problem, the code is pretty simple. At first, we are given a function named rearrange array, which has a array as a parameter. Now we are using 3 extra vector, which is positive, negative, and answer. Now here we are adding all of the positive element to the positive array and all of the negative element to the negative array. Now here in the answer array, we are alternatively adding the positive and the negative element by using the pointer I. Finally, we have to return the answer. I hope you understood the code. Thank you everyone for watching this video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.